I chose this university specifically because of the flexibility that I have with the online program.
Academics are all online.
I chose this university because I didn't want to have to leave my family.
It is a year and 8 months to complete the program.
And I just loved being in the field so much, I couldn't imagine leaving my job.
It's a live interaction between that professor, so you're able to collaborate and ask them questions and they respond back.
I really enjoy coming on residency.
You just get the hands-on experience to really get to know how to work with the assessments and the treatments and everything before we get placed in our clinicals. It's kind of like a mini boot camp for speech-language pathology.
They're participating in clinical simulation opportunities. We have a Center for Innovative Clinical Practice, and in that center we have a complex sim room, which is like an acute patient care room. We have a hospital ward with 8 hospital beds and all the equipment that you would see in a hospital environment. Students are learning about universal precautions. They're learning how to do bedside swallow studies, learning how to do oral motor examinations and cranial nerve examinations. We have stroboscopy equipment, and so those students are learning about endoscopy and scoping and vocal fold function. The access to equipment is incredible. Very interactive experiences for you as you come on campus for your residency. You learn from the best in the field.
I really want to train students to be really strong clinicians, to be able to work in any setting in the field.
I really enjoy the program.
The variety in the options for you to work in this profession are myriad.